So everybody has seen averages all over the place. They're all over the news. You see them at work. You've touched on them in school before. So average. Again, this is another thing that is actually useful in real life, so I like to cover it. All right, so the average is always going to address some sort of a group of things or a population of things, a bunch of numbers, right? So the average is the sum of all of the numbers, whatever you're looking at, divided by how many there are. How many, that's a bad M, okay, how many numbers? Okay, so if you had, say, let's say the numbers 1, 1, 1, 3, 7, 9, and 4, the average of these numbers would be first the sum. So let's add them together real quick. So 1 and 1 is 2, and 1 is 3, 3, 3 is 6, 6 and 7 is 13, 13 and 9 is 22, 22 and 4 is 26. So the sum of all the numbers is 26. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 26 over 7. So this is the average of these 7 numbers, 26 over 7. So if we had to estimate 26 over 7, so 21 over 7 is 3, 28 over 7 is 4. So this is going to be about 3.7. And if I wanted to get really clever, remember that 1, 7 is about 0.14. So this is going to be about 3.72. Hope someone checks that. All right, so that's average. Sum divided by how many numbers there are. That's the easiest part of it. Now let's say we wanted to get the average of a consecutive series of numbers. Again, I love to ask this question. I don't know why. But let's say you had the numbers 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And you wanted to know what's the average of these numbers. So you could add them all together, and then you could divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could add them all together and divide by 6. Or you can use kind of the simple way of doing it. And you can realize that they all have a relationship. They're all one more than the next number. So there's an easier way to do this. You can add the first one, 21, to the last one, 26, and then divide by 2. So the average of these numbers is going to be 47 over 2. So the average of any sequence of consecutive numbers, just like the one I put up, no matter how long it is, it's always going to be the first number plus the last number divided by 2.